Alright, now we are going to look into this container. The container belongs to the company, which name you can see right here. It's CeraVe, if I pronounce it right. And the product is retinol serum. This container is empty because I have been using it for a while, and actually that was the reason that I wanted to look what's inside, because without using I would never guess what the difference is. So as I was using it, and I felt like the pumping like feels a little bit different from other the containers, whichever you can find in the stores on wherever you go. And I was really curious why it feels different, because it kind of feels a little bit loose, or like not really like controllable, because with normal the pumps you kind of feel the pump going down, and like there's like kind of the point that it reaches, and you like release it and just push it back. But with this one I couldn't feel it. So I was really curious to see what's inside and why it is acting like that. So let's see. The first the thing I want to mention, there is no screw or anything, obviously, as in any other container. So first time I was using the knife, so let's do the same this time too. And actually I do not recommend you disassembling any other container, because it may cause some problems, or it may be actually dangerous. So don't do this at home. And let's try to see now what's inside. Yeah, maybe not this side. Yeah, as you can see, it actually opens really quickly. It doesn't really have any strength to the cover. Also I wanted to say that this cream is like, I've already used it, and the bottle is completely empty. So before I actually start and show you what's inside, I will also tell you why actually I was interested to see what's inside, and why actually I'm filming this video. Because as we actually grow, we become a little bit let's say prone to changes, and we think other things are like the same way we used to know them. But the progress of technologies, even these small things, are inevitably going forward. I hope every field actually, I'm not sure about all the fields we actually face throughout our life, but I hope like everything changes for better. But this one of the changes that actually I was really surprised about, and that's why actually I was really intending to film this video, and finally I'm doing that. So here it is. Yeah, nothing interesting, as you can see, but this one has much more stories to tell us. So as you can see, there is a plate that actually still have a little bit of the cream, the moisture of it. So, and we have a head, which actually pretty much simple too. So let me tell you how it actually works. And assumably when we press this head down, it actually sucks the cream into this hole from here, and then as we release it, I mean it sucks when actually it's being released, but when we press, it actually provides us the cream that we actually that had been sucked like the last time we press. So that's okay, that's pretty simple. And this part also, as we can see, it's pretty much simple, but it plays a vital role in all the system. And as you can see, we can push it back down here. Yeah, we just can push it all the way back. And when the cream is inside, actually it's filled with the cream. And yeah, the entire process is like this. As I explained, you press the head of the container, of the pump, and sucks the cream, and as the cream goes to the use, let's say, this part, this plate goes up because the suction, the force created here, it actually pulls the plate up, so that all the cream that is remaining there is actually being pulled up. So by doing so, they achieved one of the problems that actually so many years have bothered me. Not that bothered that much, but I was always like curious why the companies don't solve this problem. So the thing is, you don't have basically any waste of the cream in the bottle. By the time you finish the bottle, and you will see that all your cream that actually you paid for is being used. This is really cool. This is the first advantage that this bottle has. So the second one that I want to say actually lies, I mean, it's hidden, not hidden, but it is it's inside of this head that we actually can remove quite easily. If you can see, like, I use just knife to disassemble this part, and probably it is possible even without a knife, so it's really nice. So here's the secret inside. Yeah, the pump actually is just plastic, as you can see. I don't actually know how to call this part. That it's actually the role of the pump. The entire system of this bottle, the container, is a pump itself. So as you actually pump this part, as it was explained before, it just sucks this cream to here, and it just gives it here. But the other thing that actually the normal, like, just general customer doesn't really maybe pay attention to, but it's really important for the future, is that this head and the entire bottle itself is fully recyclable. And what's more important, it's not just recyclable, it also can be recycled in the single, let's say, I'm not sure like what kind of plastic it is, but there is no any other part that it is not plastic here, that everything here is plastic, maybe except the cover, not the cover, but the sticker. Maybe only the sticker is not plastic, but I mean, at some point it is plastic, but different sort of. So the entire bottle can be recycled as plastic. There is not a single part which is metallic or any other like material that needs special recycling cycle. So also I believe that assembling this bottle is also pretty much easy, because it actually reminds me like, I don't really, yeah, you know, like whoever works in the construction business, they know like there is like this sealant that actually have the same principle, that the plate moves all the content of the bottle, so that actually can be used fully. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. It's actually have no much to talk about the container, but yeah, that's pretty much it. As you see, like, for example, if let's say I'm assembling this bottle, probably this one is also, yeah, this one goes out too. So probably it's just like that. Of course, maybe they have some special equipment to put it, but as you can see, I haven't put it with my hand. It actually quite works well. Yeah, this is all plastic, and you put it in here and put it here, obviously, and then the cream is being probably on the line. It comes in the volume already, and you just put it on. Probably it's not even being done by hand, but it's automatically being done, and that's it. I mean, yeah, and the purpose of this hole actually pretty much, okay, we cannot open it with hand, but yeah, I will just tell you, as the plate being goes up to the head, so in order to prevent it being stuck there, because obviously if it goes up, then there is a vacuum created, so there is hole so that it can easily go up to the head and provide us all the content of the container easily. So that was it. I mean, there is no much to talk about. and this is really good engineering for better sustainability and recycling of the container for the future. So yeah, that was it. And this is not an advertisement, and it's not provided. I bought this cream with my own money, so yeah, that's really how actually the care of the environment should look like, I think. Thank you so much.